Okay, leaving the Paddington station now. This is incredible access, so thank you very much to the Elizabeth Line team for letting us come down here.
Wow, that is dark, isn't it?
The next station is... Anybody?
No, it won't be stopping.
It's half the fun if it doesn't stop. There's stuff we get to do. This is so cool, look at this.
Oh wow.
We're going straight. Right, do you want
You're
to
very lucky, aren't we, sometimes?
Oh my goodness, so lucky. Right, how should we, if we're filming this by the way, can I...
Excitement in this cab. Bated breath. I just want to do David Attenborough. And it's here in their natural environment you'll find the tube gigs.
Train enthusiasts are your focus.
This train will not stop at Bond Street. Next station, Paddington.
Which station was that? That's probably too
Don't speak about.
Oh yes.
The next stop for this train will be Paddington, where this train terminates. Or change at the next stop.
In fact, there wasn't a station there at all. We didn't see that.
No, there was nothing there. I didn't see anything.
What station?
What? No, what do you mean? Just lots of lights.
No, there were no lights. It feels like one of those cameras they send down people's guts. Like,
It's alright. We'll take our way. We're now
thanks TFL. Time to go.
Nice to meet you.
Happy Bunny here.
Next station, Liverpool Street.
Happy Bunny here.